problem is something that we experience both in our personal lives and in our professional lives at all levels. It is a problem that is full of chaos, it's unpredictable, it's lots of ambiguity, and you can't solve it. And it's full of stakeholders, so it's full of people, which means that it's a highly subjective space because they've usually got completely different ideas about what's going on, what it means, and what their agendas are.
I was drawn to the Wicked Problems program because as I'm noticing the workforce change, as I'm noticing the complexity, competitive environments start to change, and the nature of organisations and their success becoming more challenging, I wanted to really understand maybe a new way of thinking about how we solve problems.
I work with an organisation of scientists, experts in their field, really strong personalities and really clear ways of doing things. But hopefully through this course we can actually bring back some new ways of thinking, some new approaches and some new styles of learning to help them expand their skills and also to help me to actually work with them better.
There's not an organisation I can think of that I've worked with where they wouldn't have at the top of their list the most problematic things to solve and the things that can unlock for them an ability to move forward better that don't fall in that wicked problem space.
A lot of what we need to look at first is understanding what the nature of a wicked problem is. And most of us have been so programmed to think in a complex manner, in a systematic manner, that we actually have to spend some time unpicking that so that we can get a visceral feeling for the dynamics of this space. Because if you approach any of these problems in the business as usual kind of manner, it doesn't work. You get really high failure rates. So you've got to really understand how this new space works so that you can develop a new way of looking at things. And then what we do is spend a lot of time with different tools and approaches to figure out, well, what's a way in? And how do we work with stakeholders? There's a huge focus on stakeholders and on how to engage people in a process so that when you're working in this space, you do it collaboratively and in a way that opens the problem up to let you come up with amazing different solutions.